I grew up traveling in the backseat of my family's wood-paneled station wagon. Getting lost fills my soul. It's who I am. It's embedded in my DNA. I'm on a mission to explore and experience every country on the planet, visiting the craziest, most unique places and people in every corner of the world. I'm Jim Kitchen. Join the journey. After a short ride to the border of Bissau, I spent the entire day getting my entry visa into the country. And what should have been a routine crossing turned into a huge ordeal when my guide in Bissau got cute with the border official. That's a really bad idea, bad thing to do. We should have paid the guy $20, which is what the guy wanted, but instead we spent the next 5 hours going from place to place, eventually ending up in the airport to get my visa stamp. And the irony is, my guide tipped the airport official $20 anyway. Today I'm in Guinea-Bissau, one of West Africa's smallest countries, and this economy is driven by groundnuts, specifically cashews, which were brought here by the Portuguese over 300 years ago. The Portuguese were the colonial power that controlled Bissau, and they were imported from Brazil over 300 years ago, and it really drives everything in this economy. Today we're at a processing factory with my friend Albino. What they do is they sort the cashews by size, then they put them in here. Let's go, all right. There we go. Okay, and they bring them through the process. They open the shells, and then they send them in, and they sort them again by size, and then they send through a machine, hand sorted one more time, and then on. So later in the afternoon, I went deep into the bush to see the real Bissau. No electricity, no running water, grass huts, naked people running everywhere. And I had a conversation with the local shaman, who's the spiritual leader, who offered to consult the spirits on my behalf by dripping alcohol and tobacco particles on a piece of wood. And additionally, he read chicken feathers for signs from the spirits on my behalf. I enjoyed going into a school and doing basic math problems with a class of students, and it was so encouraging to see their enthusiasm for learning and taking such an interest in someone like me from a different culture. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to keep exploring and learning about the rest of the world. Join the journey.